I really want to be an animator. But is there any scope in animation? If there is no scope in animation, there won't be jobs available, and if there are no jobs available, my parents won't support my dream.
Finding career is not just searching emerald in mines, but to shaping it into jewelry. So choosing career is really important for us.
Let's hear what students from different parts of India wants to say about animation and education.
That was me before joining Starblast. Hi, my name is Ankita Pandya and I'm a very proud student of Starblast Animation. Animation is not just about CGI movie. Animation has its hold over gaming industry, online platforms, web series, television, advertisement, education and a lot of other streams as well. Not just the world. India also needs a lot of animators. India is in a very high demand of animators. And with proper guidance of industrial experts and your passion and hard work, we can achieve that dream. And I am confident enough about my career in animation, all because of Starblast Animation.
Hello everyone, my name is Om Chakravarti and I am from Starblast Animation. Today I am going to discuss about education trend. इंडिया कंट्री ऑफ ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन्स एंड नोबल लॉयर्स। आज से बहुत साल पहले हमारे देश में ना ही एजुकेशन की ट्रेंड्स थी और ना ही ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बट द एजुकेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज इंक्रीज ड्रास्टिकली नाउअडेज. Career, which seems prestigious, are trend nowadays, but the above trend could be a very drawback for those who are the only literate of a family because they can't guide them properly. While we are in the school, we are not that much mature that we can choose our best career. क्योंकि हम उस समय सोचते ही कहाँ थे अपने लाइफ के बारे में. A proper guidance could be very fruitful to the bright side of the life because without proper driver, the life vehicle could be unbalanced. As generation changes, the digitalization comes over India, and the students find so much information about their career through internet, through YouTube, through online sessions, and found many career counseling advices from good teachers, from the industrialists. The government should implement proper career counseling in every school of India so that childs can get so much information about their post life. And also so many institutes talk about career counseling and 100% placement. But according to me, अगर आपके पास अच्छी skills हो और अच्छा knowledge हो तो आपको placement की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Placement आपको खुद मिल जाएगी, सिर्फ आप अपने पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. That's what I think about counseling your own career, and I think copying others may do nothing but deplete your future.